following the issue of a couple that has 3 kids, which the mother is complaining that the father of her kids doesn't want to take responsibility of the kids because she has broken up with him. The community police of Kakoza, Mr. Philip Sitole, who has been trying to solve this issue, said he is tired because he sees them together every after fight. We spoke to Mrs. Nonhlanhla Dlamini from Swagaa, who stated that the father should take responsibility of the kids even if he has broken up with the mother.
Liqiniso leliphelele ukuthi once waletha umuntu emhlabeni nje sekufunakala ukuthi umondle, so singamkhuthaza ukuthi make avele ngalana emahovisini ethu sitobona ukuthi simphokhelela kanjani babe ukuthi ondle umbanifana lase abalethile emhlabeni ngaphandle kokuthi ademande ukuthi alale naye lo make. Emaphoyisa emangonawo singacela lokuthi vele aqhubeke asibambise angaviswa abhlungu lokuthi bese bayabuyelana ngoba na ufunza ngalendzaba ye-violence vele i-cycle nase amshayile bese kuba nalesigaba lala axolisa khona lo babe amende abone lokuthi umshayiswe yini lele bese sithi i-honeymoon, so nase ba-honeymoon vele abasathinzeki baphinze bayabuyelana kuba mnanzi kanti vele ngoba lekhubeteka kulisondlo utothi angakabheki uphinze futhi bese liyathwasa bese uphinze uyamshaya futhi. So nje singamkhuthaza ukuthi vele lokumgcokwa ukuthi aphule le cycle yale violence ngaloko ukuthi atfole isito nakubeta ukuthi bahlukane vele ngoba kungcono ukuthi bahlukane kunokuthi agcine sekambulele.
Reporting for Channel Yemaswati, I am Nandobeko Tabeze with Nonhlanhla Thwala Manzini.